Welcome to Google Docs 101. Edit, share, and collaborate with confidence. Whether you're organizing ideas, collaborating on projects, or just looking to make your documents more polished, this walkthrough will help you level up your Google Docs game. This course is for anyone who's used Google Docs before, but wants to take things further, like formatting with confidence, adding visual structure, and collaborating with others like a pro. By the end of this training, you'll be able to navigate the Google Docs interface and locate the formatting toolbar, apply different customization options to the text of your Google Doc with 100% accuracy, add images and tables to visually enhance your Google Doc, and collaborate effectively by adding comments or suggestions and sharing your Google Doc with others to enhance the quality of your work. Let's dive in and explore this together. Starting off, let's talk about navigation. When you access a Google Doc, you'll typically see the main body of the doc on the majority of the page. To the left, you'll see a table of contents and any doc tabs, and you can quickly navigate the different sections of the doc just by clicking on them. The last part of the navigation that we want to focus on for this training is the formatting toolbar at the top. You have a lot of options here, so let's explore them together next. Starting off, you have style. These are things such as headings and titles. For example, this doc has a title and different headers for the different sections, as well as a body or normal text. As a best practice, to help separate your doc into logical or topical sections, consider adding a header at the top. Next up is fonts. Select a font here. You can click here and then scroll through the options. And if you want to add more fonts, consider clicking on More Fonts and selecting the fonts you'd like to designate as My Fonts, so you can quickly and easily switch between the fonts here. Next, let's talk about rich text formatting options. You can add or update text here to rich text, such as bold to help text stand out, or italics to apply emphasis to your text. As a best practice here, try to standardize how you use formatting across your teams or within your own documentation, and use bold or italics sparingly to help it stand out. If the whole document is bolded, nothing will stand out. Next, let's talk about links or photos. So up at the top, if you want to reference a hyperlink, you can add it here, and then it'll appear on the page. Or if you want to add photos or images or pictures to make your doc more visually appealing, you can add something here. Choose to upload pictures from your computer, the web, or other sources. Another thing to discuss is commenting here. Click the comment box icon here, or highlight any text or any areas where you want to leave a comment, and then select the comment icon to leave commentary for your teams. From here, you can add anything to help provide more context or even proof the doc as needed. You can even direct mention a person to ensure they get notified about the comment. As a best practice here, consider assigning a comment to someone if you need them to see it and respond to you about it in a timely fashion. This helps assign responsibility and accountability. And finally, the last options to discuss here for the formatting are indenting and alignment. If you need to center or left align your text, click the buttons here, or you can indent your text to the right or left as needed. For example, if you're using paragraph formatting, you can select the right indent once at the beginning of a paragraph. Now let's talk about table creation and formatting. Whether you're creating a storyboard, jotting down pros and cons, or even conducting analysis, a table is the perfect addition to your doc. To create a table, go to Insert and select Table at the top and choose what size table you want to create. When the table appears, you can click into it and add text with rich text formats, and you can even add colors to it. If you need to edit it, you can even right-click on it and choose from the options here. And if you want to insert another column or row anywhere, all you need to do is hover over the area where you want to add something additional, and you'll be able to add it or move it as needed here. The last area to cover is sharing. Once your doc is ready to be shared with others, all you need to do is select the Share button at the top right. From here, you can see who has access to your doc, and you can easily share this doc with others by simply adding their email addresses here. By default, the access is restricted to only you and whoever you share this doc with. However, you can make it open to others as needed and be less restrictive. As the final best practice here, prior to sharing your doc, ensure that you don't have any sensitive information that others aren't meant to see before you share it with them. In conclusion, we covered how to navigate a Google Doc, We explored the toolbar and some essential options. We created and configured a table, and we shared a doc with others to enhance collaboration, productivity, and accuracy. You've successfully enhanced your Google Doc and you've leveled up your skills. Go ahead and try all this out for yourself today.